So today's activity is creating and managing a mini data warehouse in Microsoft Access. So let's start. So part one first. Let's open. So, so already ano na gawa na to. So next is create three tables. So table for students, subjects, and grade. Students, uh, subjects, and so next fields. Lagyan natin siya ng fields. Is student ID. Wait, students. Oh, students ID. Subject ID. Dahil makapy. Ay, makapy. Grade ID. So, dito muna tayo. So, full name, course, will be short text din to. Your level, number na lang. So, short text, number. So, course, and then your level. Okay. Next, students field, my subjects field will be subject name and units on the social subject name. Short text ito, so units is number, I think. Subjects, subject name, units. So next is the grade. Dito ako. Grades will be, kukunin natin si student ID, subject ID, and then grade and semester. So, ay, wala. Wala. Grade, number, student ID, subject ID, grade, number, short text na lang yung semester, grade, number, oh, short text, tama ba? Hmm, pindot ko yung project. So next is data entry. So what enter please 5 sample records for each table. Ensure relationships. Enter muna ako ng data. Ito tayo students. So enter lang kayo ng data. Kahit yung bentong data lang. O dito list. Parang bilis. Ano ba yun? Saldo, si Maya, Santos, Mandela Cruz, Mandela Cruz, si Ana Reyes, Carlo Lumanga, Itzel Gomez, first nila, Shelby, Yes, ano ba? Kasi pilit, wait, kahit ano dyan, tagay mo. Ano lang naman yun. Vincent, Vincent, yan, your level, copy, eh, tama. So, save ko lang to, Ctrl S. So, next will be the subject. So, ito, so next ito, 3, kahit ang ilagay nyo dyan. So, mas may mga abilities. Abilities. So, pwede, and then, say, programming. Tapos, so, save lang natin. So, next will be the grades. So, ganda lang kayo dito. So, ito natin. One left. Tapos ito, 3, 4, and 5. Oh, parang ano na yun. Subject, so, 2, minimum natin is, let's say, 92, 50, 95, and 80, 70, semester. Ay, save mo ulit. So, after natin yung data entry, next will be the student performance. Ay, hindi. Relationships pa pala. Punta tayo sa database. Yes. Close lang natin to kasi hindi tayo nakapag-drop later. So, add lang natin yung tatlo. And then, just 2 minutes. Ito sa green. Objects. Dito. Wait. So, save. Close. So, next will be query and data analysis. So, pwede query na yung performance. student performance that displays students' name, course, the student, and subject niya, and grade. So, unahin muna natin yun. So, punta lang tayo sa hindi, query design. Ipagan natin itong tatlong add, and then student name, course, student name is this, tapos yung course is subject name, click. Tama. So after that, wait. Tama. So click nyo lang yung run. So save natin siya as ano na yun? Student performance. Student performance. So yun. So next will be the high performance students. High performance students. That shows students with grades 90 and above. So papakita naman natin yung students with 90 and above yung grade. So, same process. Add, create na kayo sa queries ulit. And then, ang kailangan natin yun is same lang. So, kunin ulit natin si student name, course ni student, and alisin na lang natin sa subject. Lagyan na lang natin is yung grade. So, student name, and then course niya, sa grade. So, ganun lang. Pero kailangan natin is 90 and above yung grade. So, lalagay nyo dito is greater than or equal to 90. Dito sa criteria, sa row ng grades. So, click run. So, as you can see here, nagpakita lang is yung 90 and above na students. 90 and above yung grade na students. Yan. So, sino ba sila? So, si Liza Gomez, Juan de la Cruz, and Maria Santos. So, tatlo sila. So, ayun. Next. Pangalanan ko lang to. High-performance students. Next is demonstrate how to sort filters the data. So, how to sort or filter sa madali lang. So, ito. Punta tayo dito sa student performance. So, dito, click ko yung filter. So, here, yung mga names. Dito naman, pwede nyo, ano ba? Ayan, piliin yung mga grades or sa names. Ayan, filters. Ayan, descending. So, nandito lang siya. So, part 2 na tayo. Part 4. So, part 4 is create the report base performance query showing all students' grades in professional format. Add to graph, report results, the performance per subject. So, gagawin tayo na report with chart based on the student performance. So, ito. Ito ang gagawin natin. dahil dito sa student performance, click natin ito. Ano ba? Datasheet view. Tapos, design view. After design view, meron ito. Hindi, mali. Create. Ito pala, create report. Inquiry. Hindi. Hmm. Hmm. Close ko yung design view niya. So, click tayo sa na yun. Open pala. Sensitive pala siya. So, yun. So, na-create na natin yung sa student performance. So, next is mag-add lang tayo ng chart. So, chart. Ano ba? Per subject. So, chart per subject. Kukunin natin is yung grade. Yung subject name. Kasi kailangan natin ng student performance per subject sa chart. So, punta lang kayo dito sa layout design. Next is yung wala yung chart. Ay, hindi. Ito muna. Sabi. Ayan, design tab na tayo. So, ilagay lang natin yung chart here. Gamitin natin is student performance. So, itong query na to. So, kailangan ko is yung subject and grade. Next, going to use column chart lang para madaling mabasa. So, next. So, ayan, tama na. Tama. Review natin. And finish. Dito. And then, parang close to ulit. Report view. So, ayan. Tapos na. So, here is the chart and the report for the student performance. So, we'll go to next. So, that's all and thank you.